This has got some play in it, and my honey hates that. She does not like that. So I've got to fix it right now. I'm going to show you how to do it. You got to take the lid off. So anyway, the reason there's play in it is because we've got this. So what I got to do is I've got to take this off of here and put it down a couple notches. So I'm probably going to need some needle nose pliers to do that. All right, I've returned with the needle nose pliers. So what we got to do is we got to kind of pinch this right there. Got to get the cut pliers on it right there. Kind of smush it out of there. All right, so here we are. There we go. So I got it off. If I put it right there, it'll pull it up. I put it like 3 links down. I think that might work. Okay, I got it on. Okay, now I got to get it on here. That's going to be tricky. Kind of got it on there. There we go. Got it. There's still a little play in it. No, it doesn't have as much play. It's got a little bit still. Not much I can do about that. I mean, I could tighten it a little bit more, but I think that's going to work.